Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited to be unboxing my first drone. Actually my second drone, but the only drone I will own right now. I used to have one drone that I bought a couple of Christmases ago that I broke within a few days of buying it. But this is the Eachine E520S foldable drone. It's a pretty small drone. I think it's about the size of the DJI Mavic Mini, which I'm planning to buy, but I wanted to buy this just to practice before I buy a more expensive drone. I have a bonus unboxing item today. I have this flash drive that I bought off of Amazon for just $38. It's 1 terabyte, and I've confirmed this by putting a terabyte worth of stuff on there and then copying that into my computer and see if the files are functional. They are. It's a 1 terabyte flash drive, but it's only USB 2.0, so I think they use the same packaging for 2.0, 3.0 items as well as 512 gig and 1 TB items. But this is in fact the 1 TB flash drive, as you can see here. So I bought this for only like about $38, which is an amazing price for a 1 terabyte storage device. It's slow, it's USB 2.0, so it's only 6 megabits per second, but it's pretty great to just have a backup device like this. Alright, today I actually have a razor blade that I'm going to use to open up this box. I came prepared instead of having to use my nails. Alrighty. It's upside down. I don't know which side's up. Okay, here we go. This side's up. Very easy and nice unboxing experience there. Here's the drone. It's pretty small. Has the nice soft matte finish. It's foldable. We'll put that away. There's the remote control with the instructions. It does have some good features, such as the 1 key return, 1 key takeoff, and headless mode. 1 key landing, emergency stop. There's the remote control has buttons for video and photo recording, and then an orbit mode, and then you can adjust the speed of travel. So for the Mavic it'll be like a sport mode, things like that, but for this you can actually adjust the speed. Probably a lot more, but it probably isn't as fast as the DJI devices. Nice remote. I think these are propeller guards. I don't think these are landing. Yeah, this is a propeller guard, which I will not be installing. Whatever happens, happens, right? Que sera, sera. What else is in there? Nothing else. Okay. Where's the instruction manual? No instruction manual. Okay. It shows you have to calibrate the compass. So this is it? This is the instruction manual? I guess the app itself is the instruction manual. Am I missing something? Oh, here we go. The box has more stuff in it. Okay, so that's what I'm missing. So here's the manual. Hopefully it's English. It is English. Good. Okay, so I've kind of looked through the manual. I've cleared our surface here, and we'll kind of go through the instructions together. So this is the remote control. It needs 4 AAA batteries, so I've already put it in there. You can mount your phone here if you want. I haven't downloaded the app yet, but I'll go ahead and do that. But in the meantime, I'll just go ahead and work on synchronizing the drone, turning it on for the first time, syncing it with the remote, the gyroscope, etc. So to turn it on, pretty much, the battery comes out not all the way inserted, so I'm going to insert it all the way. I already put a micro SD card in here. Not sure if I'm going to need it. So now that we have all that set up, it says just press the power button for 2 seconds on the drone. Didn't do anything. Not sure why. Let me try that again. Maybe I haven't inserted the battery all the way. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I hadn't inserted the battery all the way. It's quite a bit of force to push it in. There we go. It's flashing. So remote power switch. There we go. Slide it on. So the remote's on as well. You see 4 lights on here. I'm not sure if that indicates the battery of the drone itself or the remote control itself. So this is what the drone looks like. Okay, so let's do the gyro synchronization. So on the remote control, you pretty much go down into you leave it horizontal and down into the right on both joysticks.